Let O be the origin and the point A be represented by this complex number root 3 plus 2 root 2 iota, and point B is representing the complex number Z2 such that root 3 times mod Z2 is same as mod Z1, and argument of Z2, this is argument of Z1 plus pi by 6. Then we have to identify the correct statement about this triangle AOB where O is origin. Now, this is a problem on basic concept of modulus and argument of a complex number. The complex number Z1 is given and point A is representing this complex number. So, A will be nothing but root 3 uh, 2 root 2, x coordinate root 3, y coordinate 2 root 2. And Z2 is another complex number which is satisfying these two conditions. One is for modulus and the other one is related with the argument of complex. Argument of Z2 is argument of Z1 plus pi by 6. So let us plot these points in complex plane and then try to identify which type of triangle we are getting and what is the area of that triangle. So first let us plot this point A representing complex number Z1. Let us say this is some point A presenting Z1. Coordinate of A will be x coordinate root 3 and y coordinate 2 root 2. Also, argument of Z1 will be nothing but angle made by this line OA with x-axis, and modulus of Z1 will be the distance between these 2 points O and A. So clearly you can see that mod Z1 or the length OA, this will be distance of point root 3 to root 2 from origin. So it will be 3 plus another 8, so that will be root over 11. This is our real axis and this one is imaginary axis. So point A is at a distance of root 11 unit from origin. Now Z2 is represented by point B and the relation is that modulus of Z2, this will be modulus of Z1 divided by root 3. So the distance of point B from origin will be root 11 by root 3. And also argument of Z2 is argument of Z1 plus pi by 6. So if this is argument of Z1, let us call this angle as some angle alpha. Then angle made by the line OB, point B is representing Z2 with x-axis, that will be uh, alpha plus pi by 6. That means this angle has to be pi by 6. Right, this angle will be pi by 6. And here we have this point B representing the complex number Z2. And modulus of Z2 is nothing but modulus of Z1 by root 3. Mod Z1 is root 11. So that means this length will be root 11 by 3. Right. Now we are getting this triangle O is origin and we have this triangle AOB. Now there are two problems in this. One, we need to find the area of triangle, and other one we have to find the, when two sides are 11 and root 11 by 3, we need to find the third side, and then we need to check whether it is Asclepius triangle or we have isosceles triangle. Right. So first let us calculate area and see whether any option is matching or not. So for finding area of any triangle, the standard formula is half product of any two sides. So one side is OA, another side is OB, and into sine of angle between those two sides. So that means sine pi by 6. This is standard formula for finding area of any triangle. Area of triangle AOB, so half of OA into OB into sine of angle between OA and OB. Now this will become half of, one side is root 11, another one is root 11 by 3, and the angle is 30 degrees, sine 30 will be 1 by 2. So ultimately this will become 11 and that divided by 4 root 3, right? 2 into 2, 4 and root 3. So 11 by 4 root 3, that is the area of triangle. Now as you can see that none of the options are matching. So I mean option A and B area is different. So these two are incorrect option. Now let us find the third side of the triangle and then try to identify that out of these two options C and D, which one is the correct option. So let us say this third side AB is lambda. Now in order to find this third side, we can use cosine formula. So that means cos of pi by 6, right? Cos of this angle will be OA square plus OB square minus AB square, and that divided by twice of OA into OB. OA square means 11, OB square means 11 by 3, and then minus lambda square, right? That is cosine formula. That cos of any angle is sum of square of two adjacent sides minus the opposite side, and this divided by twice of OA into OB, right? OA is root 11 and OB is root over 11 by 3. So using this formula, we can find the value of lambda. Once you simplify this one and do the calculation, you will find that lambda will be root over 11 by 3, right? So that means this third side is root 11 by 3. Now this angle was pi by 6 and these two sides are equal. Side OB is same as side AB. So if two sides are equal, clearly it cannot be a scalene triangle. It has to be isosceles triangle. And also if this angle is pi by 6 and the two sides are equal, this angle is also pi by 6 and here we'll get 2 pi by 3. So it is obtuse angle isosceles triangle, and therefore the correct answer for this problem will be fourth option, right? The right answer for this problem will be option D. So this was not a difficult problem. The important concept was to be familiar with the concept of argument and modulus. Modulus is distance from origin. Argument is the angle made by that uh, point joining origin with the x-axis. So once you plot these 3 points, then after that for area of triangle we have a standard formula, half of product of any two side into sine of angle between those two sides, and using cosine formula we calculated the third side. Finally, the correct answer for this problem is fourth option.